The human skin, our largest organ, plays a vital role in protecting our body from external threats and maintaining homeostasis. The skin is composed of 3 main layers: the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. In this script, we will delve into the intricacies of the epidermis, focusing on its various components, functions, and the impact of environmental factors on its health and integrity. Keratinocytes, the most abundant cells in the epidermis, undergo a complex process of differentiation and maturation. The basal layer of the epidermis contains dividing keratinocytes that gradually migrate towards the skin surface. As they move upwards, these cells undergo a series of changes, including a decrease in their proliferative capacity and the production of specific proteins called keratins. These keratins provide structural integrity to the epidermis and contribute to its barrier function. Within the basal layer, specialized cells called epidermal stem cells reside. These stem cells possess the remarkable ability to self-renew and generate differentiated cells that replenish the epidermis. In cases of injury or tissue damage, such as a cut or burn, these stem cells are activated to proliferate and differentiate, aiding in the rapid and efficient healing of the skin. As keratinocytes continue their journey towards the skin surface, they undergo a process called keratinization. During this process, the cells accumulate large amounts of keratin proteins and undergo changes in shape and composition. As they reach the outermost layer of the epidermis, known as the stratum corneum, these cells undergo complete cornification, losing their nuclei and organelles. This process forms a tough and impermeable barrier that protects underlying tissues from mechanical stress and external factors. Melanocyte, specialized cells located in the basal layer of the epidermis, are responsible for the production of the pigment called melanin. Melanin plays a crucial role in determining skin color and providing protection against harmful ultraviolet, UV, radiation. Upon exposure to UV radiation, melanocyte produce more melanin, leading to tanning of the skin as a protective mechanism. Langerhans cells, a unique population of immune cells found in the epidermis, play a vital role in immune surveillance. These cells function as antigen-presenting cells, capturing antigens from the external environment and presenting them to other immune cells in the skin. Langerhans cells also contribute to the activation of immune responses, defending the skin against potential threats, such as pathogens and allergens. Tight junctions, specialized protein complexes, are present between adjacent keratinocytes and the stratum corneum. These tight junctions contribute to the integrity of the epidermal barrier by preventing the penetration of harmful substances, such as toxins and pathogens. They also play a crucial role in regulating the movement of water and electrolytes, maintaining skin hydration. Epidermal desquamation refers to the shedding of dead skin cells from the stratum corneum. This process is essential for maintaining the integrity of the skin and facilitating the turnover of epidermal cells. Specialized enzymes, called proteases, degrade the proteins that hold the corneocytes together, allowing them to be released from the skin surface. This regular turnover ensures that the epidermis remains healthy and functions optimally. The epidermis is not solely composed of keratinocytes but also contains various skin appendages that serve specific functions. These appendages include hair follicles, sweat glands, and sebaceous glands. Hair follicles produce hair, serving both protective and sensory purposes. Sweat glands, through the process of sweating, contribute to thermoregulation and elimination of waste products. Sebaceous glands secrete sebum, an oily substance that moisturizes the skin and provides some degree of antimicrobial protection. The epidermis varies in thickness across different regions of the body. Thick skin, found in the palms of the hands and soles of the feet, possesses an extra layer called the stratum lucidum. This layer consists of densely packed, clear cells that further contribute to the protective function of the epidermis. Thin skin, present in most other areas of the body, lacks this stratum lucidum. Epidermal growth factor, EGF, is a signaling protein that plays a crucial role in regulating epidermal cell proliferation. It acts on specific receptors present on keratinocytes, stimulating cellular division and promoting wound healing. EGF also contributes to the maintenance of the epidermal barrier and the overall health of the epidermis. The epidermis is constantly exposed to various environmental factors that can affect its function and integrity. Ultraviolet, UV, radiation from the sun can damage DNA, leading to mutations and increasing the risk of skin cancer. Environmental pollutants, such as particulate matter and chemicals, can disrupt the balance of the epidermal barrier and trigger inflammatory responses. Additionally, temperature extremes, humidity, and certain skincare products can influence the overall health and appearance of the skin. Several pathological conditions can affect the integrity and function of the epidermis. Examples include psoriasis, a chronic autoimmune disorder characterized by excessive proliferation and abnormal differentiation of keratinocytes, leading to the formation of plaques on the skin. Another condition, dermatitis, involves inflammation of the skin, resulting in redness, itching, and the formation of papules or blisters. Understanding these conditions is crucial for effective diagnosis and management. The epidermis is the outermost layer of our skin, and it serves multiple important functions. The different types of cells in the epidermis, such as keratinocytes and melanocyte, contribute to its overall functioning. Environmental factors and diseases can affect the health of the epidermis, making it crucial to understand its complexity for its protection.